Hey friends, welcome in, welcome back. Welcome to Revamp and Radiate with me, Sarah B, your beauty bestie. I thought it'd be fun to do a quick unboxing with you today. I feel like I haven't had any time to like film a video, so we're gonna try this one and see how it goes. So this is kind of random. It is from FabFitFun. Okay friends, I'm back. They've struggled to open this. All right, so I picked this up. I didn't realize I put this on a subscription with FabFitFun, but I got this in, I think, last month's Allure box or something, or maybe Ipsy, pretty sure it was Allure. And I love this. It was a different scent. Make sure this is what this is. This is Cora's Pure Greek Olive Body Cream Sea Salts. So yeah, it's a different scent, but I'll tell you what, I've been using the other one I got. I don't remember the scent, but it is delicious, and my skin has been so soft. So even though this was an accident, I'm really excited to have it. When I saw it was coming, I was like, what did I order? What did I do? Oh my gosh, it's my skin, like I put it on right after the shower. That's been my shower cream. Love it. All right, let's go. Let's open Allure. Okay. Allure, like my friend Jen says. Allure. All right, let's see. Ooh. Okay. This has a little thing. All right, let's just, should we start from the top? All right. Ooh, we got a YSL Candy Glaze in the shade 16 Watermelon High. I'm pretty sure this was a choice. I love these. I absolutely love the YSL Candy Glaze. They smell delicious. Ooh. It's a pretty color. Oh, look at that. You know what? I am currently working on my Sephora cart for the sale. And I have a Dior lip oil in there. And I don't need it. I have this. I'm gonna not get it. These retail for $43. These are really nice. I highly suggest. But you can get them in these beauty boxes all the time. Let's see. What's next? Next is NuLastin Brow Shape Alternating Serum. A note from our award-winning serum is backed by 100% performance guarantee because your results matter. Made in the US. What is this? NuLastin Brow Shape Altering Serum. While you love it. Overplucked your brows as a teen? We've been there. Move on from that damage with this peptide pumped treatment that helps boost elastin and strengthen hair from the root to prevent fallout. The clear formula doubles as a styler to consider. Okay. So it's a clear brow gel that's promising fuller brows. Hey Zeus. What's wrong? Okay. I'll be back. Hey friends. All right. I've been interrupted a bunch, but let's get through this. The lash serum looks cool. I'm gonna definitely use this, so I'm excited about that. So far so good. And this one retails for $84 for 3 milliliters. What? So this is full size, and this retails for $83. Wowzas. Well, we'll see in 12 weeks if I have fuller, thicker lashes. I'm gonna put this in my bag to start using it right away. Nice. All right. Cryo Ice Roller. Deep Puff Sculpt Detox. What is it? It's a Cryo Ice Sake Roller. Okay. You'll be inspired by the Japanese drink. I love sake. The Japanese drink. This picture-shaped cryo tool wakes up sleepy under eyes, temporarily tightens deep puffs with the cooling aluminum plate. And it changes color as it chills. Pop this tool into your freezer until it turns pink. We recommend for at least 30 minutes. It feels cooling. I bet you this would be nice. I mean, this kind of thing always like sounds kind of fun, but then like who's going and putting this in their freezer every day? My freezer's downstairs, but it feels cold like now. All right. I'm excited to try it. This retails for $55. Wow. All right. So once it's frozen, ready to go, it turns pink. All right. All right. I'm sort of impressed with this box already so far. I love Rosie by Jane Rose. I have one of these already opened. Is this the one I like? I don't know. It's a little travel spray. Rosie by Jane Rosie. Yes. I love the Dolce scent from them. But I've had this. I like it. I'll use it. I'll add it to my collection. It smells delicious. The retail of the 10 milliliter is $29. So this is a travel size. What's next? Amic and Skincare 10% tranexamic acid face serum. Over and over vitamin C, there's another dark spot reducing ingredient, and this is a serum, has 10% of it. It's also made with moisture boosting glycerin and hyaluronic acid to hydrate skin and help treat and prevent hyperpigmentation. Add 2 or 3 drops to your moisturizer, apply in the morning and night. Don't forget your sunscreen. 30 milliliters retails for $39.99. This is 10 milliliters. Okay. Okay. I believe I have tranexamic acid or azelaic acid in one of my serums I already use, but okay. I will think about this one. We'll see. And last but not least, we have belif. And this is not an eye cream. You always get a belif eye cream. I swear I've gotten a million of them over the years. This is the belif Aqua Bomb Frozen Cream. No matter when you use this gel, first thing in the morning, before a hot yoga session, or after a nighttime sweat, you'll instantly feel refreshed. Thanks to this tiny encapsulated, it's like a cooling cream. Slather a nickel-sized dollop onto skin, working your way from the top of your forehead down to your neck. And then fan your face and hands for extra effect. Okay, this is Aqua Bomb Frozen Cream. Immediate cooling effect. I don't know about this. Let's see. Yeah. But what's it do? Just cools you down, like if you're having a hot flash, which I think I'm going to be coming into that season soon. I gotta get ready for dance. I have like a few minutes. Okay. Okay. Cool. All right. And I have a $10 credit to the member store. Very nice. Okay. I mean, I could probably do without these two, but these 4 alone make it worth it, in my opinion. This is pretty nice. This is a nice box. This was a good one. Okay, this is one of my better boxes because I will play with this, although this is definitely like an extra bonus. I wouldn't buy something like this. Obviously the lip glaze was nice and it's gonna save me money because I think I'm gonna choose to not buy the Dior lip oil that I want because I'm picking up this. So that's kind of nice. All right. Well, there's my Allure box. Yay. That's a good one. All right. Pleasantly surprised by that. I do have to hurry because I have to get ready for dance. I'm not even ready, but it'll take me 2 seconds to get ready. Go. All right. Ipsy. All right. What are these called now? Ipsy Extra or something? I don't even know. Ipsy April 2026. Dare to Daydream. Nice. Okay. All right. I'll put up on the screen like what I picked, what they picked for me. I can't really remember. Okay. I believe this was an add-on. This Elemis facial oil. I either was an add-on or I love the Elemis oil. So this was cool. I can't, I'll put the price of what I paid for it up here, but I love the Elemis oil. Ooh. But I think this was an add-on. I'm pretty sure I added on, but it was like, didn't feel expensive at the time. Okay. The Tatcha Dewy Milk Moisturizer. I love Tatcha. I just opened a Tatcha day cream and I forgot how much I love Tatcha. I love Tatcha. Okay, this is exciting. What else we got in here? This one I picked, I remember, because I couldn't decide. This is Earth Harbor Ceramide Repair Serum. Oh, I wonder if I could use this on my neck. I'm going to use this on my neck. All right. We'll see. Okay, cool. What else? A Tart Juicy Maracuja lip vinyl. I'll probably just give this to somebody. I don't think I would use this, but okay, nice. Dr. Lily Fan Anti-Aging Serum. Oh, this is an eye serum, okay. 97 reported smoother, firmer skin, saw reduced circles, firming, lifting, revitalizing. Know all the things, decreases the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines, helps reveal smoother, younger skin, gently moisturizes the delicate skin area. Okay, I'll try it. And I feel like this was either a beauty boost or a choice. I can't really remember, but I love First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Cream. I think they just rebranded. This used to look different, but I love this. So, okay, I'm happy with that. And finally, I'm trying to look in here. That doesn't say anything about any of these products in here. Arthur Beauty. Let's see. Okay. That's pretty. It's like a blush highlighter palette. I'll give this to someone. I won't use this. Hello, beautiful. We have removed the mirror and the magnets inside for a more sustainable product. Okay. Like, I get that, why you did that. That's nice, but I guess I could go without a magnet, but I like a mirror. All right, this is the Crystal Charged Cheek Palette. It's pretty. I bet you this is really pretty, but I just won't use it. So I think I'll give this away. I'm gonna give this away. I'm gonna keep my Tatcha. I'm gonna keep my First Aid Beauty. I'm gonna keep my Elemis. I might give this to someone too. So I'm gonna give away 3 things and I'm gonna keep 1, 2, 3, 4 things. So it was okay. It was 3 stars. We'll give it 3 stars. All right. Well, those are my boxes. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing of that, the Ipsy this month. I don't know, not as excited as I usually am. I was more excited about Allure, which is surprising. I'm never excited about Allure. So, and I'm excited about my little FabFitFun bonus. So yeah, overall it was a pretty good unboxing this month. All right, well, thanks for watching and you have yourselves a great day and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.